Yes people, this is my 2010 C1. There's pretty much nothing wrong with it. Everything works, even down to the stereo, the windows. The only problem was the wing. Funny thing is, yeah, if you look at this car, yeah, properly, yeah, this is pretty much a Toyota Aygo, a Peugeot 107. So there's a lot of parts that fit. So this is the wing that we've copped. Was a used one off of a car that's being broken. Managed to get it down for a good price, so win-win. Yeah, so let's see if this is worth it. We've got the wing there, we've got a few tools around, so I'm just gonna literally get to it. Funny enough, it's been 24 hours. We're gonna get this fixed, put up on the marketplace and sold as soon as possible. But the funny thing is, it being a 0.9 litre, £20 a year road tax, I'm actually considering to keep it, you know, over the go far. It is a blender's, it's efficient, it's ULEZ compliant, it's insurance group 3E. I mean, the person that's gonna buy it is gonna love it. It's a VTR Plus edition, so it's a little bit sporty, a little bit leather and suede. You know, it looks a bit different from all the normal Citroen C1s in Tesco car park, yo. So for the front bumper, I'm guessing I'm gonna need a 10 and a 13. So I'm gonna get the socket, probably get an extension, probably of this size. Yep. I want a 10 and a 13, so 10 and a 13. This car must be a bliss to work with, and as you can see, they've probably licked it up before. Back at the garage, and I've come to find out that the wing that I went to grab yesterday is not the actual wing for the car. So this is the new wing. And I don't know if you can see, it's got a slight S-curve shape to the cut. It's got an S-shaped cut to the wing, and the old one that came off is sort of like a C shape. So it's very similar. The same 1, 2, 3 ports, 1, 2, 3. The diameter, the length from hair to hair sort of looks the same. This looks a bit more curved over, but this is sort of a smooth finish. Turns out it's not the actual part for it. So yeah, and another problem I found out is the headlight bracket is broken. So that's this part here from the impact. That part. It's not that expensive, but we're good with a bit of welding, so we could do a bit of plastic weld to the headlight to get it to fit back, which will be just the clips right there, the clips here, and the other clip there. So it's 3 clips that will get re-welded. Then this one will be back up for sale, or I'll keep this for my little run around. I'm gonna literally hunt and find for this wing, get the right wing hopefully this afternoon or tomorrow. We put it back on, get the car washed, get the headlight on, car fully washed, be up for sale straight away. Engine's very small, so the way I would use the vehicle might bust down the engine, so it won't last me that long. So stay tuned for the next video.